Hello viewers, this is Tanvir Mahata from CodeBeans. Today I am going to show the very basic concept of C# programming. Okay dear, please keep watching. First of all, I have to open the Visual Studio. Click Start menu and select Visual Studio. I have been installed Visual Studio 2019. You can use any version. Opening Visual Studio, create new project. From this title list, template list, you use console application C#. Click next. Here provide the name of your project. I like to C# programming. From here, from 3 dots, you can browse the location by I'm just browsing this location, Tanvir tutorials. Select the folder. Okay, click next. Here you can use the version of .NET Core. You can use any version. I'm using 3.1 long-term support. Click create. The project is creating. Okay, this is the first project of C# programming. Actually, browse the Solution Explorer. This is the C# programming project. You can add many projects in the solution. I am using one project. The name is project is C# programming. Okay. The project hold two things: dependencies and classes. You can make anything like create a folder and anything. Okay, just explain the program.cs. Actually, this is the program. Program is a class. Program.cs means program is the name of this class. CS means C#. The console application firstly execute the program class's main function. This thing's called function. The program class, this is class. What is class? Actually, I explained from top to bottom. Using system. What is system? System is a namespace. Here, using system is a declaration of namespace. Here we actually use namespace. Namespace means the location of the class. One namespace hold many classes. Actually, C# programming one classes. You can add another classes by clicking here. Add classes. Name test classes. Test class. This class also in same namespace, actually in same project, under the same project. I think the namespace concept is clear. What is class? Actually, class is a blueprint of an object. What is object? You can think object, all of this is object. In future video, in object oriented, I will explain what is class, what is object, and all of this object oriented programming. Just what is the main? Actually, the program class execute the main function first. In console application, the program class firstly execute this portion, this main function. You can write another function like static void add. This is function, it's called function. So main is also the function, but console application first of all execute the main function first. You can call this function from here. The main function return a void. What is void? Void is empty, nothing. It does not return anything. This is the parameter of this function. Actually, function what will do, what will do the function? The main function only print console dot write line hello world. These things. Why you use system? Actually, we use system for using this console dot write line. Console is a class, write line is another function. Write line function is write the specific string value followed by the current line terminator to the standard output stream. Actually, this is output hello world. Okay. The console class hold in system namespace. By clicking the console, you can check here the write line function is exist. Control find, Control V. This is write line function. Okay. Let's run this project. The project output is hello world. If you want to change the output and print something like welcome to CodeBeans. This print welcome to CodeBeans. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and follow us.